my name is Rob Bruck with Innovations in Lighting, and welcome to the next video in our series. Today we're going to talk about ADA requirements in regards to lighting. Now, first of all, and most importantly, I'd like to thank our camera operator, Moose, who's been invaluable in this endeavor. Now today, helping us out with this demonstration is Jessica. Jessica's an engineering student and one of our summer interns, and she has been a great asset on some of our projects this year. Now, you're not Jessica.
Jessica says she's busy.
Helping us out today with this demonstration will be Zoe, my youngest daughter, and our engineer. For those of you who are not familiar with our company, Innovations in Lighting is a custom manufacturer of table lamps, floor lamps, sconces, and vanity lights for hotel guest rooms. We also do feature pieces for public areas such as large-scale chandeliers and oversized sconces. So, there are three key issues involved with ADA requirements in lighting. Protruding objects, the 4-inch rule. Allowable reach, switching requirements. In this video, we're going to talk about the first one. So do you know what that means?
Yes.
Huh, well, let's look at some lamps then. So, take a look at this picture. Is this ADA compliant?
Of course, I don't need to measure it to tell.
That's right. Because this is mounted over a counter, as long as it doesn't protrude over the edge, you're fine. Thank you again for joining us today. We appreciate it. Hope you learned something. And remember to lamp responsibly.
I'm hungry now.